Today we're making a copper plant hanger for your backyard. And now I'm going to make the little tendrils that come off the main foundation frame. And I have about 18 inches to 2 feet of my 1/4 inch copper tubing. And I'm going to twist that into what I think a little tendril would look like if a vine was actually growing on the fence. And my design takes 2 of them, so I've made 2 of these. And with the small 1/4 inch tubing, I'm also going to make the little ring that holds the pot onto the main structure. So I need to measure, you need to have your pot ready and measure how big the circle should be to hold your pot, like this. So I'm going to put my copper tube around the pot and see how long that should be. And then I'm going to cut that off right there with my pipe cutter.